This lesson discusses Spanish adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Spanish adverbs do not change according to gender or number. Adverbs usually come after the verbs they modify. Hablas bien. Adverbs always precede the adjectives they modify. Él es bastante inteligente. And adverbs always precede other adverbs that they modify. Le es demasiado lento. In English, we oftentimes add the suffix ly to the end of an adjective to create an adverb, such as quickly, quietly, and happily. In Spanish, the suffix mente is added to the end of the feminine form of the original adjective. Lenta, lentamente. Rápida, rápidamente. If the masculine singular and feminine singular form is the same, then the adjective does not need to be modified prior to adding the suffix mente. Fácil, fácilmente. Difícil, difícilmente. Interesante, interesantemente. But there are many Spanish adverbs that do not add mente to the end of an adjective. You can organize Spanish adverbs into 5 categories, starting off with adverbs of manner, which describe how something happens. Estoy estudiando mucho. Lo estás enseñando mal. Corremos rápidamente. And here are some common adverbs of manner. You can also use these common adverbial expressions. Hizo la prueba de manera fácil. Estudiamos de modo eficaz. Escribí el ensayo con facilidad. Here are several adverbial expressions that you may come across. There are adverbs of quantity which describe how much. El médico es bastante inteligente. Estoy menos feliz que tú. Hablas demasiado rápido. No hay nada para comer. And these are some adverbs of quantity. Adverbs of time, which describe when, and it was mentioned earlier that adverbs usually come after the verbs they modify, but adverbs of time may also precede the verbs that they modify. Mañana caminaremos a la escuela. Tomé la prueba ayer. Ya lo me explicaste. Llegamos temprano a nuestras clases. Todavía estoy estudiando. And these are some of the common adverbs of time. Adverbs of place describe where and are also often used as prepositions. El dormitorio está arriba. Trabajo lejos de aquí. El libro es enfrente de la almohada. And these are some of the common adverbs of place. And we have adverbs that indicate a point of view. They usually appear at the beginning of a sentence. Quizás deberíamos estudiar. Obviamente él no sabe. Personalmente no estoy de acuerdo. There you have it, a pretty basic summary of Spanish adverbs. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.